Today I'm going to show you how I made a vacuum chamber for my soft plastics using things I had laying around the house. This is a vacuum pump that I found at Harbor Freight that you connect to an air compressor which turns it into a vacuum. It's only $10. So I had this old pressure pot that I picked up at an auction for $20. And I chose it because it's got plenty of room to handle multiple cups of Plastisol at a time. So like I said, you're going to need an air compressor. Luckily I have one. I took some Loctite clear silicone with a popsicle stick and applied it to the rim. And the pot that I have has a little adapter on top, so I connected the hose to that. Perfect fit. The other end I'm going to connect to the front of the vacuum pump. The hose coming from the air compressor, I'm going to connect it to the rear adapter on the vacuum pump. So here you see the air hose connected to the pot lid. Make sure you have the black cap on this area here. In just a few minutes, you'll be able to turn a cup of Plastisol that looks like this into a cup that looks like this. I got this mold from Moose Ridge Molds, and I hand poured a bait, and look at it, it's full of bubbles. But afterwards, no bubbles. I appreciate you watching. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing, leave me a comment, and tell me what you think. Have a great day.